election. And now for the pledge to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good day, Raiders!
Today's Thursday, May 21st, day 1. You will return to school on Tuesday, May 26th, day 2.
Lunch today will be cheesesteak sandwich. Lunch Tuesday will be chicken tenders and fries.
Band lessons are on a special schedule next week. Today and Tuesday, 7th and 8th grade band and 6th grade chorus will meet.
If you have phys ed on even days, you will meet Monday, Wednesday, and Friday this week. Odd days will meet on Tuesday and Thursday.